Hi, today we are going to learn about mass or weight. Mass is how heavy something is. Terms related to mass. One is heavier, the other term is lighter. For example, a car is heavier than a bicycle. Weighing using a balance scale. Let's learn with the help of an example. When the scales are balanced, that means the weight on the either side of the scale is equal. Here you can see the scales are balanced, which means the toy car and the blocks are of same mass. When the scales are not balanced. If the scales are not balanced, it means the weight or the mass of the objects is not the same. The pan with the blocks is downwards, which means the blocks are heavier, and the pan with the teddy is upward, which means the teddy is lighter in weight. So we can say that the blocks are heavier than the teddy. Let's try one question now. What do you think? The weight of the banana is blank the weight of the watermelon. So, the pan with watermelon is downwards, which means the watermelon is heavier, and the pan with the banana is upwards, which means the banana is lighter in weight. So we can say that the weight of the banana is less than the weight of a watermelon.